Welcome to Rome, the eternal city where every street tells a story. From the mighty Colosseum to the timeless Roman Forum, history lives around every corner. Wander past ancient ruins, Baroque fountains, and sun-soaked piazzas filled with life. Toss a coin into the Trevi Fountain, savor authentic Italian cuisine, and feel the rhythm of a city where past and present collide. Rome isn't just a destination. It's an experience that stays with you forever. Rome's story spans nearly 3,000 years. Founded in 753 BC, it grew from a small settlement into the heart of the Roman Empire, ruling much of Europe, North Africa, and the Middle East. Rome gave the world roads, laws, aqueducts, and architecture still used today. After the empire fell, Rome became the center of Christianity and the home of the Vatican. Today, Rome stands as a living museum where ancient ruins, Renaissance art, and modern life exist side by side. We begin at Castel Sant'Angelo, once a fortress for emperors and popes, standing watch over the Tiber River for nearly 2,000 years. Crossing the bridge, lined with angels, Rome unfolds before us, layer upon layer of history. Our steps lead to Piazza Navona, a grand stage built atop an ancient stadium, where fountains, dance, and Baroque beauty fills the air. Just around the corner stands the Pantheon, a marvel of engineering, its massive dome open to the sky, unchanged since the days of the Roman gods. A short walk brings us to the Trevi Fountain, where rushing water and marble figures invite a timeless ritual. One coin tossed, and Rome promises your return. We continue to the heart of ancient power, the Roman Forum, once alive with speeches, markets, and triumphs. Then, finally, we arrive at the Colosseum, Rome's enduring symbol, where history echoes in stone, reminding us that all roads truly lead here. Welcome to Vatican City, the spiritual heart of the Catholic world and the smallest country on earth. We begin in St. Peter's Square, designed by Bernini to embrace the faithful with its sweeping colonnades. At the center stands an ancient Egyptian obelisk, silently witnessing centuries of history. The head rises St. Peter's Basilica, one of the greatest churches ever built. Step inside to marvel at Michelangelo's soaring dome and the moving beauty of the Pieta. Carved when the artist was just 24 years old, every inch speaks of faith, art, and human achievement. Our journey continues through the Vatican Museums, home to one of the world's most extraordinary art collections. From ancient sculptures to Renaissance masterpieces, the path leads to the breathtaking Sistine Chapel, where Michelangelo's ceiling brings the story of creation to life. This is the Vatican, where history, art, and spirituality meet.